have a colorful demonstration and performance of Bharatanatyam by the curator Dr. Rajashri Warrier. Dr. Rajashri Warrier is an eminent Bharatanatyam exponent, educator and scholar of the country. Widely recognized across the globe for her impeccable Abhinaya, she is one of the most sought after performer and guru in Bharatanatyam.
She is also a musician and owns a PhD in music from the Department of Music, University of Kerala. She is also a writer in the arts. An empaneled artist of the ICCR, Dr. Rajashri is an A-grade artist of Doordarshan in Bharatanatyam. The founder director of Otrika, the Center for Bharatanatyam, Carnatic Music and Experimental Theatre, Srimati Rajashri is a recipient of Devdasi Deshya Nritya Puraskar, Kerala Sangeeta Natak Academy Award, Mahatilak Award from Kerala State Social Welfare Board, to just name a few. She has done many choreographies to her credit. She imbibed the rudiments of Bharatanatyam from Guru V. Maithili and later got trained under Guru Jayanti Subramaniam. In music, she is primarily trained under late Guru Mullamud Harihara Iyer and Perumbavoor G. Ravindran. Now let's go over to her.
Next, let us have a colorful demonstration and performance of Bharatanatyam by the curator Dr. Rajashri Warrier.
Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Sari ri sa mama ri sa papa mama ri sa ni papa mama ri sa sari ri mama papa ni sa sari ri. The moment you listen to Ragam Revati, Shiva in all his majestic, mystic splendor appears in mind. Today, I would like to share my views on how bhavam or mood of music enhances the entire rasanubhava of Natyam in Bharatanatyam. I have chosen a piece on Shiva Tattvam, the philosophy of Shiva, to demonstrate my thoughts. Various facets of Shiva is touched upon in this Natyam. So Shiva is Shava until he is united with Shakti. Shiva holds the heat inside and he is cold outwards. He wears seeds which will not sprout. He is garlanded with hooded snake representing vigilance. So here I have chosen Ragam Revati for the Natyam. Why? It is rendered as Tanam because Tanam has a flow and goddess is flowing towards Shiva to grow into calmness, into stillness. So Revati is started like ta num num ta ta num num ta ta num num ta 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 da num 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 ta ta num dum ta ta num num ta ta num num ta 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 num ta num ta num num ta ta num num ta ta num num ta ta. In order to represent flow, I have chosen the tonality of Tanam, not just taking Revati the raga. So what I am trying to say is tonality in music is very important in creating the bhava you actually intend to produce. Shiva is Tripurantaka as well. He demolishes the three egos. I, that which is mine, that which is not mine. And when the three egos, three purams align at one point, Shiva is Tripurantaka. So here I have deliberately chosen Ragam Surya. What I have felt about Ragam Surya is the Gandharam of Ragam Surya is like a focused gaze. And next, Shiva is portrayed as Shankara. So there is Shringaram. He is united with Shakti. And when you think of Shringaram, suddenly Ragam Surati comes into my mind. Surati is very soothing. It has different layers, it can portray different layers of Shringaram. Here it is rendered as Akaram by the vocalist, but at the same time, Devi is, Shakti is very feminine, but she is agile and aggressive as well. Ragam Surati is sung in Akaram, while the music, the vocal flows in a very slow paced manner. The Mridangam brings out the aggressiveness. So it is so aggressiveness or agility is brought out by Mridangam rather than the vocal. He is Jimuta Vahana. You know, the goddess, as any other woman once married, is bothered about the comforts of life. Once she is brought to Kailasa, she asks Shiva, is this a place where we are going to stay? So he says yes. And she wonders and she asks, if my body is burned by the scorching sunlight, where do I go? There is no roof here. So he says, there is that great banyan tree, its shade will protect you. And then she quips, when the wind becomes unbearable and it is extreme cold, what do I do? So Shiva retorts, the funeral pyre is burning each and every moment. You can warm your body there. She, with utter disgust, asks him, so when it rains, what do I do? Where do I go? So he says, I will take you, I'll hold you above clouds because I am Jimuta Vahana. So here, there is this question answer session happening between, like any husband and wife, between Shiva and Parvati. So for the question answer session, I have chosen Gauri Manohari Raga, which is actually very Manohari, very beautiful. The conversation happens, when you listen to it, between violin and veena. So the question, the role reverses. Here the questions are very aggressive, and veena is used in such a way that the questions are asked in a very feminine but very bold way. Then comes a devotee of Shiva, who is Bhringi. Bhringi would not salute Parvati. He would only salute Shiva because he is his only god. He tries to encircle Shiva alone, and Shiva holds Parvati closer, and now Bhringi would take the form of bee, so that he could make a space between Shiva and Parvati. But Shiva becomes Ardhanarishwara, half woman, and a complete togetherness of Shiva and Parvati is born. So here I have deliberately chosen Sindhu Bhairavi. Sindhu Bhairavi, as you listen to it, it is actually, the raga itself is on a flight all the time. There is a transcendental quality about this raga. Sindhu Bhairavi is played on flute, and also the Tuttakaram is used. B, and its movement is beautifully brought out. And then here comes one more ragam, Saraswati. Saraswati is a very beautiful, graceful ragam, but here it is used to represent the Valsalya Bhavam, or the motherly affection of Markandeya's mother towards her son. And when Yama arrives and tries to play with his mind, Shiva beautifully disentangle him from the fear of death. And please try to get into the musicality or the bhavam of music, which has actually brought out or which has actually helped in bringing out the entire rasanubhava of Natyam in Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam has no gender discrimination. Sometimes you need to, if you want to bring out, emphasize a grace or masculinity, you can play with music to bring out the actual gender of the character or the situation you are portraying. So today I shall begin with this Natyam, which will be followed by a Nritya piece, Aadum Azhagai Paaradi, in Ragam Durga, Talam Adi. The composer is unknown, but this is a very beautiful composition, and I am happy that I had the privilege to choreograph both these pieces, the Natyam and Nritya, which I have done some years ago.
ஆடும் அழகே பரடி ஆடும் அழகே பரடி அம்பலவாணன் ஆனந்தமாகவே அங்குமிகும் அடியாடும் அழகே பரடி அம்பலவாணன் அழகே பரடி அம்பலவாணன் ஆனந்தமாகவே அங்குமிகும் அடியாடும் அழகே பரடி அம்பலவாணன் ஆனந்தமாகவே அங்குமிகும் அடியாடும் அழகே பரடி தேடும் விழியுடையா தேடும் விழியுடையாள் தேவி பராசக்தி 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 தேவர் யாவரும் கண்டு தானே மனம் மகிழ்ந்த தேவர் யாவரும் கண்டு தானே மனம் மகிழ்ந்த அழகே பரடி அம்பலவாணன் ஆனந்தமாகவே அங்குமிகும் அடியாடும் அழகே பரடி கைகளின் வழியினில் கண்களிரண்டும் செல்ல கலகலவென இரு கால்கள் ஜதியே வைக்க கைகளின் வழியினில் கண்களிரண்டும் செல்ல கலகலவென இரு கால்கள் ஜதிய வைக்க தைத்தையனவே ஆடி ஆடி தமிழிசை தன்னை பாடி தாரிதம் ததரிதம் ததீகினதும் 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 எனலாடி தாரிதம் ததரிதம் ததீகினதும் 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 எனலாடி பரடி அம்பலவாணன் ஆனந்தமாகவே அங்குமோ ஆடியாடும் அழகே பரடி அம்பலவாணன் ஆடும் அழகே பரடி